Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add or delete a user account on Mac. Click Apple icon in menu bar. Click System Preferences. Click Users and Groups. Click the lock to make changes. Give the administrator user password. Click Unlock. Click plus sign to add new user. Select STANR or Administrator User Account. Give full username, account name and password details. Click Create User. User created successfully. This tutorial helps to delete a user account in Mac. Click System Preferences. Click User Accounts. Unlock the lock to make changes. Give the username and password. Now click the username you want to delete. Click the minus sign. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.